In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klana Pay. Klana is an excellent way to shop online, giving you the flexibility to buy now and pay later. We'll walk through the entire process, from choosing your site to filling in your payment details. Let's start by visiting the website where you'll be making your purchase. In this example, we'll be heading over to the Temu website, which provides a great selection of products. The first thing you want to do is browse through the site and select the items you wish to purchase. Once you've made your selections, navigate to your shopping cart. This will allow you to review the items you've chosen and make sure everything is just right before moving forward. You'll want to double-check this list to avoid any mistakes, such as ordering the wrong size or color, especially since it's easy to overlook these details when excited about making a purchase. After you're satisfied with all the items in your cart, look for the button or link that says Checkout and click on it. This step will start the payment process. At this point, you'll typically be asked to enter shipping details if you haven't done so already. Once all the necessary information is provided, you'll proceed to the payment section. Here comes the critical part, paying with Klana. Look for the payment method section, where different options like credit card, PayPal, or in some cases even cryptocurrency might appear. What you want to look for is the option to pay with a card, which should include Klana. Click on Card to proceed. If it's not immediately visible, there may be a link or button labeled More Payment Options where Klana will be listed. Once selected, you will be prompted to enter your Klana card details. It's essential to have your Klana virtual card information ready for this step. You can find these details in the Klana app. Make sure you input the card number, expiration date, and CVV code accurately. Verify all the information to ensure there are no typos, especially if it's your first time using Klana. Once complete, you'll be able to proceed with your purchase. Klana will then take care of the rest, allowing you to split the costs according to the terms specified during the setup. It's convenient and particularly helpful for spreading out payments over time without the immediate financial burden that can sometimes come with larger purchases. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Klana Pay for a smooth and convenient online shopping experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check for more guides on making your online shopping experience even better. Enjoy your new purchases.